Creating an electromagnet is a simple and educational project that demonstrates the principles of electromagnetism. Here's a concise guide. Gather materials. You will need an iron or steel core, a length of insulated copper wire, a power source, and some electrical tape. Prepare the core. If the core is rusty or dirty, clean it to ensure good contact. It should be made of ferromagnetic material like iron or steel. Wind the wire. Start by tightly winding the copper wire around the iron core. Leave a few inches of wire loose at each end for connecting to the power source. Secure the wire. Use electrical tape to secure the wire in place and prevent it from unraveling. Connect to the power source. Attach one end of the wire to the positive terminal of the battery and the other end to the negative terminal. This will create a circuit. Test the electromagnet. When the circuit is complete, the iron core becomes magnetized, creating an electromagnet. You can test its magnetic strength by picking up small metal objects like paper clips. Enhance the electromagnet. To increase its magnetic strength, add more turns of wire or use a larger battery. You can also use a switch to control the flow of electricity. Safety. Be cautious with the battery. Don't leave the circuit connected for an extended period as it can overheat. Disconnect it when not in use.